Southwest 3141, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Southwest 3140.
United 969, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27, United 969. Lindbergh Tower, Cessna 172 Kilo, 2,500 knots forward, heading down with Mike.
Cessna 172 Lima Kilo, Lindbergh Tower from the Mission Bay VOR. You are cleared into the Santa Claus Bravo airspace. Enter on the midfield 45, make right close traffic, runway 27, altimeter 200, 908.
South Tower airspace, stadium, right downwind for 27,
Southwest 3141, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Have a good day.
And Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, VFR descent to pattern altitude, your discretion.
My discretion 172. Yeah, Tower, you had a 354.
United 969, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Understand, clear for takeoff, United 969.
United 969, affirmative, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, United 969.
Cessna 89 Romeo leaving Santa Claus Bravo, sped to the north, radar services, terminate frequency change to Bruce Squawk VFR today.
Alright, thank you, 89 Romeo.
United 354, Lindbergh Tower.
Yeah, we gotta go back to the gate.
United 354, standby. United 354, taxi across runway 27, turn left on Charlie.
Cross 27 left on Charlie, United 354.
Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, traffic just took up on a northwestbound departure, Airbus 320.
United 172.
Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, maintain visual separation from traffic.
Okay, 172.
United 969, traffic just north of Mission Bay VOR, Cessna descending at 1,500, has you in sight maintaining visual separation, contact SoCal departure, good day.
United 969, good day.
United 969, contact ground 123.9. Correction, United 354, contact ground 123.9.
Over Cal, Alaska 233, visual 27.
Alaska 233, Lindbergh Tower, wind 210 at 10, runway 27, clear to land.
27 clears to land, Alaska 233.
Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, report to beam the tower.
Report to beam the tower, 172 in the kilo. And Lindbergh Tower, 172 in the kilo, beam.
Cessna 172 Lima Kilo, caution, wake turbulence at a Boeing 737, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, 27, 172 in the kilo.
Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, if you could just extend down and I'll call your base for traffic crossing midfield.
Stand down when you're calling base, 172 in the kilo.
Cessna 2 Lima Kilo, you can turn your base to your discretion, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, turning base, 172 in the kilo.
Alaska 233, contact ground today.
Battle 1 with the captain through 4 Tappas and the visual for Kcrq about 4 miles to Kcrq.
Southwest 3883, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line of point, traffic Learjet 5 mile final, be ready to go.
Been ready. Line up away 27, Southwest 3883.
Battle 1-1, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, clear to land, traffic holds in position.
On clear to land, runway 27.
Number 2 Lima Kilo, turn right at the next intersection, all the way on to Charlie, contact ground 123.9, good day.
All the way on to Charlie, contact ground 172 in the kilo.